And more are today, Winton School. I'm Loralye. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our pare, the 14th of May.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu o te wiki, Moana,
which is te reo for ocean and sea, as in te Moana-nue-a-Ke, the Pacific Ocean.
Mr T's problem solving team, you have a lunchtime session today in the group room at 12:30. Thank you.
School choir news. All year 3 to 8 students interested in singing at Central Music Festival, please see Mr Chapman at Playtime in room 11.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Some late news just came in. Lost property. If you have seen a size 8 MacPac puffer jacket with Kason Breen's name inside it, please return to room 10.
Also missing is a black caps hoodie belonging to Devon Clark. Please return to room 11 if you have it or seen it.
Okay, birthday news. Cody Laffey turns 8 today and
Sophie Chambers and Mason Maguire both turn 7.
Happy birthday everyone. Moana-nue-a-Ke. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay away from the mud, Winton School.